To optimize battery usage of an app based on who used the app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to set the battery setting of that app to optimize. To do so, go to the app screen. Find the required app. As the example, we will try with YouTube. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the app name. Long tap the app icon. And then tap the app info icon. Scroll down the screen. Under usage section, tap battery. And then select optimized. By choosing this setting, your phone will optimize the battery usage based on how you use the selected app, in this case YouTube. Given to the function, it's recommended to use the setting for most apps. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.